Welcome to Network and Bit. I am Sabir. Today I show up how to install and remove dev package in Linux. First, download one dev file package. I already downloading TeamViewers the dev file. Now open terminal and go to download folder, cd do first two word or three word types, then press tab. You got full path and press enter. And now I type this command. I will keep this command in description, so don't worry. sudo space dpkg space dash I space package name. Press tab and full name come. Press enter. Need to password. Press enter. Yes, my package installed. If you get any error, then run this command: sudo space apt dash get space dash f space install. Now I check my application. Yes, this is installed. Now I remove this package. Okay, type sudo space apt dash remove, press tab and package name TeamViewer and press enter. And type y. Yes, my application is removed. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thank you for watching my video.